Inside this facility, advanced AI robots are built from thousands of precision-engineered components.
Today, we're taking you inside one of the world's most advanced AI robot factories to show how intelligent machines are made.
Every AI robot begins as raw metal, electronics, and code.
Lightweight metals form the robot structure.
The robot's intelligence starts with microchips. Advanced polymers reduce weight. Every component is measured precisely. Computer-controlled machining ensures precision. Plastic components are formed. Automation speeds production. Precision coating ensures consistency. Heat cures the finish. Electronic systems are assembled separately. Microscopic precision is essential. Electrical pathways are secured. Defective boards are removed automatically.
The robot brain is installed.
Strength and durability are essential. Energy storage is carefully engineered. Motors control motion. Fine motor control allows accurate movement. Some robots require advanced force systems. Sensors help robots understand the world. Precision handling is tested. Major structural assembly begins. Thousands of electrical connections are required. Automation builds automation. Heat treatment stabilizes the structure. Surface finishing improves appearance. Spatial awareness systems are added. Vision systems provide perception.
Data systems improve learning capacity.
Voice interaction requires advanced microphones. Dexterity is engineered carefully. Defects are carefully removed. Efficient cable management prevents failures. Core assembly is completed. Mobility systems are integrated. The robot takes shape.
The system comes online.
The outer structure is complete. Mobility systems are calibrated.
Sensors and processors activate.
Communication systems are integrated.
Ocean systems are calibrated.
Every subsystem is analyzed. Machine vision guides movement. From raw materials to intelligent machines. Balance algorithms are refined. Analyze the phonetic data from the last sequence. Ensure accuracy across all dialects. Speech systems are trained. Robots assist logistics operations.
Human interaction capabilities continue to evolve.
Some robots support healthcare. Recognition systems improve interaction.
Subscribe for more hidden factory processes and advanced technology documentaries.